Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anushka and welcome to a warm Q&A video. I thought why I should not answer your questions, and this is the time where we can answer and chit chat. So yeah, we are a 3000 subscriber family. I'm really very thank you to each one of you on this really big moment, and I love you all the way you give me support for this. Any more to come, and the next target is 10,000 subscriber. I hope we will reach it soon. So yeah, उसके बेसिस पे है ये Q&A वीडियो. मैंने सोचा कि आप लोग के इतने most asked questions, why not I answer. Let's start the Q&A video. So first question is, one beauty product you can't live without. So it's been ages I'm using eyeliner, and from the very beginning of my journey I started applying eyeliner, and one of my favorite product, go-to product in beauty makeup, it's eyeliner, black eyeliner. I love it. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि eyeliner से मेरी आंखें बहुत ज़्यादा appropriate हो जाती हैं. कहीं भी बाहर जाना हो या बहुत presentable में एकदम से switch हो जाता है, लगने लग जाती हूँ. Today I'm not using because I'm into a new look. So yeah, but the eyeliner, you have seen all my video shots or something, the eyeliner is must there. It's there always. So eyeliner is that product. Next question is, one wardrobe essential every girl should own. So I think there is not one enough for girls right out there. So it's couple of things. I think it's essential. So it is a basic white, black and a nude t-shirt, and 10 tops, white, black and nude according to your preference. Beige, brown and grey is the new aesthetics, and this love colors. I'm wearing brown, I'm loving brown, and yeah, you can put this in your wardrobe and really you can style it in n number ways, and it's lovely to see that outfit. So yeah, these are the essentials which I think every girl should own. Next question is, what's your skincare routine? So it's very simple. कोई इसमें mess up नहीं करती हूँ मैं. General cleansing, moisturizing, sunscreen, and nowadays I start using eye cream because I'm seeing very much dark circles around my eyes. So ये routine है मेरा, और इसके लिए पूरा proper dedicated video आ रहा है. So don't forget to watch that. Question is, anything which uplift your mood instantly? So it's food. Obviously it's food. 100 times it's food, because जब भी मैं कुछ अच्छा खाती हूँ मेरा mood थोड़ा खराब होता है या थोड़ा dicey होता है, तो मैं कुछ अच्छा खाती हूँ. मेरा favorite junk of course, and street style things which I love. So मैं ऐसा कुछ खाती हूँ, and मेरा मूड इंस्टेंटली बहुत अच्छा हो जाता है. एवरीवन नोज हु इज क्लोजर टू मी दैट आई एम अ हैंग्री पर्सन. अगर मेरे को भूख लगी है तो आई बी लिटरली अपोजिट ऑफ माई पर्सनैलिटी, सो नीड टू फीड मी ऑन टाइम. सो this is the thing which uplifts my mood instantly. Question is, how to handle unproductive days and bad days. So yeah, every day cannot be productive. First of all, stop thinking that every day will be productive. If you think that, it's really great to you, but if doesn't work what you think like, so don't be upset or don't be like frustrated. Every day can't be productive. That's a harsh truth and reality which everybody needs to know. So as a creator, every day is not productive, and every day is not a good day. Some days are bad, some days are good. So it's okay to be in a bad day, it's okay to be in unproductive day. Next question is, what's one thing that your subscribers don't know about you? Real nice question. I really like it. Thank you for asking this. So one thing my subscriber doesn't know about me is my age, but I'm not going to reveal it directly. I can tell you a hint or something, like I'm in my college second year. I hope you can guess. This question is kind of this or that question. So the question is, heels or sneakers? So I must tell you guys, I'm a big sneakerhead, but I love heels same. So the days I want to go a little bit extra, I'm going to party or something like that, I wear heels of course. But on normal days, casual days, every day I should tell you, every day I wear my sneakers. I love it, and now I'm loving Crocs also for every day. And yeah, next question is, what the next content you want to try or make? Really good question, and I'm really thinking about it. So I really want to do vlogging, because I want to show you, relate to you guys more, and also show you my routine, what I do, because I have a lot of content. And but as you guys know, who knows me, who knows this channel, that I make fashion beauty content, and it's really nice and I love it, and I will continue that. But I want to include vlogging into it. What you guys think, please comment. And I'm thinking of taking a challenge, sort of everyday challenge. So comment down below, yes or no, please. Tea or coffee? So I must tell you guys that I'm neither a coffee person nor a tea person everyday basis. I drink both and I really love both, but I not a person who specifically drinks this or that. On a daily basis, it's a really big no. On daily basis, I don't drink this both. Don't hate me for this, guys. Question of this video, but I make sure I will do next Q&A very soon if you like it, and you can really ask me any questions in comment section. So please do your questions, what you have in your mind. So yeah, but last question is your favorite content creator on YouTube. So this is really close to my heart. This is Mridul Sharma, and I really want to meet her one day. And she is so gorgeous. The way she creates the content, the way she portrays herself, the way she carries herself, I really like it. Big shout out to her. Like, I really love her. So here we come to the end of this video. I love it. I love answering all your questions, and I hope you also love it the same. But yeah, a big thank you for 3000 subscriber family, and I really it means a lot to me, and I hope you will support me more and get me on 10K very soon. So yeah, waiting for that very excitedly. So yeah, bye bye, see you in the next video.